Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to look at how to say this word in the correct manner. So, how do we go about pronouncing this word? Pronunciation. Let's repeat. Pronunciation. Let's listen again. Pronunciation. Once again. Pronunciation. Hope this video has helped you pronounce. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce other words in English whose pronunciations aren't always apparent. If you've enjoyed this, do hit like and subscribe. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.